What is wrong with my hydrangea? And this is from Renee right here in Memphis. Guess what, Renee? I had the same problem with my hydrangea.
I was going to say, it looks like mine.
Yeah, it could be mine. Right up against the wall of my house, right against, it gets no air circulation there. Circuspura leaf spot is what that is.
Yeah.
This time of the year, you have the late summer rains. Guess what? The leaves are not able to dry off like they should because it's right next to a wall. You're going to get that fungal disease, Circuspura leaf spot. Yeah.
And you know, the easiest way to get rid of it is just to have better air circulation.
Got to have good air circulation.
You know, it's interesting because the wine that has that is the only one that has it because it doesn't have a wall, but it has a wall of shrubs that let no air circulate around it. But the others that I have that are out don't seem to have that. So air circulation is probably the number one.
It is important.
That and make sure it's not wet around there.
Right.
You know, keeping it too wet will cause it to get the leaf spots too.
Right. Practice good sanitation. That's what you need to do. Pick up those diseased leaves because the spores are still on the leaves.
They're still going to be there.
So yeah, if it's raining or you water those leaves, the spores will splash up. Start with the lower leaves and just kind of flares up the plant. I wouldn't worry about using a fungicide, especially this time of the year.
Not this time of year.
Right.
No.
Because if you read the label, some of those fungicides, guess what? It's like every, 10 to 14, 15 days.
Yeah.
If it rains in between, then it's like it never happened. You had to go back there and spray again.
Yeah, it's a lot of trouble. It might be easier just to dig it up and move it somewhere than to have to keep spraying it.
I would agree with that. Are you telling me that's what I need to do?
Yeah, you probably need to do that.
I don't know why I put it there anyway.
I need to move mine that's got all the shrubs around it that's blocking the air movement too. Right. And I have actually thought of moving mine, so I'll probably do that this fall.
All right, Renee, there you have it. Circuspura leaf spot. And as you just heard, I need to move mine because mine is just like yours. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have hundreds more. To subscribe, just click below.